Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1. It's the 161 BH. Single axle bunkhouse with the slide out. Great family floor plan with the Murphy bed you see behind me here. Let's get started, take a look. You guys remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with that slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. Your slide out. Standing up front looking back, you got your bathroom, bunks, all linoleum. Looking forward, your Murphy bed. That's where we're going to start. The Murphy bed set up. You've got basically a standard sofa, cup holder, divider here in the middle. Down low, you've got a table that comes out. You've got pet dishes, little storage underneath, obviously with a strong magnet. Cubby hole, storage area, overhead storage, hanging storage with receptacles. Your fire escape window opens up. Shades. Back to this Murphy bed setup. The sofa's got legs that extend here. Basically a jackknife sofa. Lays flat. You have a lock. And the base drops down. There is your walk around bed. As you can see, you can still get in and out. You can still close the slide. On either end, you got the little bedroom nook that's got your charging area, receptacle on either side. You got touch light up top. One fold here, and lifting the base locks the bed in travel mode. And there you have it, setup and breakdown of that Murphy bed. You also have your slide out. We briefly talked about, you've got your dinette that drops down to make into a bed. We will take a look at that. All right, table in the down position. There's your sleeping. What this is, your back cushions here. Tucked in. This is a great way for the table to travel in the down position. You can store those legs wherever. I've got them right here for now. You can see there's an extra piece of wood support here. Keep that table less likely from bowing over time. You basically have two legs here to set it back up into the sleeping area. Two legs, and then the table goes like so, and then you're ready to eat. You have drawers that pull out again with the magnets, receptacle here, spot for a TV, so you can put your backer here. You're already set up for plug-in. All your windows open, and you got shades. Again, the same touch lights here on the top. Your kitchen area. So as soon as you walk in, your JBL sound system, you can Bluetooth to control your slide, your awning. You got dimmers on those lights. Control your awning Check your holding takes, all from one convenient area. Exhaust does exhaust outside. You do have a light, which is 12 volt. LED lights, little night lights on the 2-burner range. Nice size sink. Paper towel holder. Soap dispenser. Down low, your fuse panel, circuit breakers, and nice storage area. Deep drawers, microwaves at a good height. They give you some extra little racks inside. Down low, you've got a pots and pans drawer, your freezer, and your refrigerator are 12 volt. Again, I'm running just off of the a battery, so everything is controlled from that. Before we go in the bathroom here, under the bunks, you got storage drawers, nice thick mattresses, charging areas. You got a window and it's your own shade and a light. Again, good thickness to the mattress. JBL sound system. When you go into the bathroom, you do have room around the sink. Good spot for a trash can. Surround. You have an exhaust fan in the shower. I'm 6'5". I am touching. So probably 6'3" or better for space in that shower, giving you headroom. But deep storage here. Medicine cabinet. All in the bathroom. Your brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1. It's the 161BH. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front logo. Got a manual tongue jack with one 20-pound LP bottle. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with one with the box. Moving around to your pass-through storage, nice and clean with motion sensor lighting, solar controller, your power in here, cable, battery and solar disconnect, and you can feed everything, including your water, right through the bottom here and keep this door shut. Got a magnet that holds it up, and you got 2 latches and the lock to keep a nice secure seal on that at all times. You've got a pipe there, the tube to hold your sewer hose. 161's got a dry weight of 4,872 pounds. Slide out. Your sewer connection, your black tank flush, rear stabilizer jacks. We are looking at a 30 amp service. Got the 1-inch receiver on the back. And on that, it's not for towing, but good for a little bike rack or storage. Got a 150-pound weight rating on that. You've got motion sensor lighting in this large storage area here in the back. Again, with the magnet and the dual latch. Backup camera prep and prep for that Lippert on-the-go ladder. Even though I don't have the ladder, we will take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof, your roof vent, TV antenna, AC, top of your slide out, and your solar panel. Nice clean roof there. Moving around to the campsite, you got your outside kitchen with the griddle, refrigerator, power. You've got a spray port out here that will reach the steps. Your hot water heater, we're looking at single axle, the JBL sound system outside, and your TV hookup. You can bring a TV out here. On the tires, we're looking at 15-inch. Your low point drain. And then farther up front, you've got the crank here for dropping your spare tire, which is included. Leash latch, hook your pets up there while you're at the campground. Large assist handle, and you got the exhaust for your range. That's the hookup for that spray port and the manual crank for your jacks. Again, your brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1. It's the 161BH. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, slide in. You got full access to the refrigerator, freezer. You can still get in the bunks. No issues getting in the bathroom. And as I mentioned, you can still drop down that Murphy bed if need be. So slide in, you're just losing some floor space.